Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with HubSpot for SEO blog publishing, complete guide step by step clearly. Begin by opening your web browser. Navigate to the official HubSpot website. On the homepage, locate and click on the Get Started Free button. You will be directed to the Sign Up page. Here, enter your email address in the designated field. Create a strong password that meets the security requirements. Click on the Continue button to proceed. You will receive a confirmation email from HubSpot. Access your email inbox and find the confirmation email. Click on the link provided in that email to verify your account. Once your email is confirmed, return to the HubSpot sign-up page. Now, fill in your first name and last name in the required fields. Next, select your company's name or enter personal if you are an individual. Choose your company's website URL or leave it blank if you don't have one yet. Indicate your role in the company or select just starting out if you're new. After filling in the required information, click on Continue. You will be prompted to provide additional business information. Fill in details like the number of employees and your industry type. Review the information you have entered for accuracy. When everything looks correct, click on Finish Account Setup. Once your account has been created, you will be redirected to the HubSpot. From the dashboard, navigate to the Marketing section. Under Marketing, click on Blogs. Here, you'll see options for managing your blog settings. Click on Create a Blog to start the process. Select the blog type you want to create. This may include personal or business blogs. Follow the prompts to customize your blog settings. Set your blog name, URL, and other preferences. Once your blog is set up, you can begin creating posts. To publish an SEO blog, click on Create New Post. In the editor, input your blog title and content. Leverage the SEO tools within HubSpot to optimize your blog. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.